Recording voiceovers takes time, retakes, and a decent mic setup. What if you could skip all of that and still sound exactly like you? Today I'm breaking down ElevenLabs Instant Voice Clone feature step by step so you can clone your voice and never re-record again. Let's get started. I installed ElevenLabs from the App Store, but if you prefer, you can also use the web version. It works exactly the same way. Now in the app, you'll want to head to the Creator section. On the web app, you'll find Voices directly on the left sidebar. But if you're on mobile like me, just tap into the Creator section first. From there, select Instant Voice Clone. Here's the important part. You'll need to record 30 seconds of your voice. A couple of tips before you do this. Use a proper mic if you can and record in a quiet space. The cleaner your audio, the more realistic your cloned voice will sound. Once you're done recording, hit continue and let it process. After cloning is complete, you'll need to set a few details. First, select your voice language. ElevenLabs supports 70 plus languages, so no matter where your audience is, you're covered. Then choose your accent. This is where it gets useful because you can pick accents like American, British, Australian, Indian and more. So your clone voice doesn't just sound like you, it sounds like the version of you that fits your audience. Next, select your gender. And for age, you'll see three options: middle-aged, old and young. I went ahead and selected young. Once that's set, hit save and give your voice a name. Now let's actually generate a voice. Type in your script whatever you want your clone to say. Before hitting generate, tap on settings. You'll see a few model options here. I'm going with 11v3. It's the expressive model, high quality, and honestly the best one for content creation because it actually captures emotion, not just words. For stability, I kept it on natural, right in the middle between creative and robust. This gives you the most realistic output without it sounding too stiff or too unpredictable. Before generating, I tapped Enhance and watch what happens. ElevenLabs automatically adds emotion tags to your script. That's AI deciding where you should sound happy, where to pause, where to laugh. You didn't touch anything, it just knows. Now hit generate and listen. Hey, I'm Gaurav and this is my cloned voice. I didn't record this. ElevenLabs cloned my voice. Same tone, same energy, same voice. Just without me actually being there.